Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply disable video in BlueJeans. So what you want to do is when your video is on and you just want to disable it, you just want to click here on mute video, and voila, this is how you do it. So and then you can like mute the mic here if you want to. It's also really up to you. And yeah, if you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. But this is how we do it. So what is the time? Thank you very much, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can support and subscribe. And I just want to make this video until 1 minute, because if it would be under the 1 minute, YouTube wouldn't recognize it. So that's pretty much it. Mute video here. Goodbye.